In Canada, our homes must protect us from a varied and often harsh climate. Up to 25% of a home's heat loss can come from the windows, doors, and skylights. It is very important that these products are well built, energy efficient, and properly installed. Sill to Sash is an informative guide to buying windows and doors that will reduce your energy costs, help save the environment, and make your home a more comfortable place to live in. Windows are either fixed or operable. Operable windows come in different styles: casement, awning, hopper, tilt and turn, slider, and single or double hung. Doors come with a variety of door lights, side lights, and transoms. Most doors swing open, but others, such as patio doors, move like a large sliding window. Make sure that you make the right choice to suit your needs. All products have a frame. Products that open also have a sash. The frame and sash can be made from a variety of materials. Some are thermally broken or filled with foam to increase their energy efficiency, or have cladding to protect them from the weather. Exterior doors are often made with a steel skin and a foam core, which is more energy efficient than a solid wood door. Products that open require weather stripping. There are 4 types: compression, sweep, brush, and magnetic. The compression and magnetic types provide the best seal. Glazing is the term for the glass or other transparent or translucent material. The terms single glazed, double glazed, and triple glazed refer to the number of layers of glass. All windows in Canada should be at least double glazed. An insulating glass or sealed unit should be used. This unit is 2 or more layers of glass held apart by a spacer bar and sealed airtight at the edges. Developments in glazing technology over the past decade have made remarkable improvements in energy efficiency. Low emissivity or low E glass is a must, especially for double glazed products. This coating helps to keep warm air inside during the winter and outside during the summer. Spacer bars in the sealed unit should resist conducting heat. Ideally, they should be low conductivity or warm edge to reduce heat loss and the possibility of condensation. An inert gas fill, instead of just air in the sealed unit, helps to reduce heat loss and is also recommended. Don't worry, these gases are chemically inert and just as safe as using air. Using low E glass and gas fill together provides optimum energy efficiency. Condensation on glass in cold weather is a major complaint, second only to cold drafts. Condensation occurs when the glass temperature becomes lower than the dew point of the humid air around it. Moisture in the air naturally condenses on contact with colder surfaces. The higher the relative humidity or colder the surface, the heavier the condensation. Energy-efficient windows are less likely to have condensation. However, if the relative humidity inside is more than 30% when the outside temperature is below -20 Celsius, then condensation will form even on the surface of an energy-efficient product. Also, because of potential condensation problems, skylights should not be installed near sources of humidity, such as a shower or a kitchen sink. Now that we know what to look for, how can we be assured we are actually choosing an energy-efficient product? The simplest way is to look for the Energy Star label. Energy Star is the international symbol for energy efficiency and can be found on many different products in Canada. Qualifying levels for Energy Star are determined by both government and industry. Canada has different climates requiring different performance for windows, doors, and skylights. That is why 4 different Canadian climate zones have been established: A, B, C, and D. Zone A has the mildest climate and Zone D has the coldest. Appropriate Energy Star levels have been set for each zone to match the severity of the climate. The climate zone qualification will be shown on the label or in the sales literature. Simply make sure that the product is Energy Star qualified for the area where it will be installed. A product that qualifies for areas with a colder climate will save you even more on your energy costs. You should also know that Energy Star qualified windows, doors, and skylights have been tested and certified by an accredited agency. As a consumer, you should be aware that there is a difference between standards and certification. Buying a certified product is the best way to be sure that the standards have been met. To obtain performance ratings, testing is done according to a number of standards. Energy efficiency is measured by U value, solar heat gain, and energy rating. The U value shows the rate of heat loss. Solar heat gain is a measure of how well the sun's heat energy helps to supplement the heating system. This is important during cold weather. The energy rating, or ER number, is a measure of a window or door's overall energy efficiency based on 3 factors: heat loss, solar heat gain, and air tightness. In Canada, windows and patio doors are required to be tested for their air tightness A, water tightness B, and wind resistance C. Local and provincial building codes set minimum requirements for each rating. And finally, installation is just as important as choosing your new window, door, or skylight. A poorly done installation can lead to a number of problems, ranging from cold drafts to serious water damage inside the walls and ceiling. Windows, doors, and skylights should be installed by qualified installers. In some areas of the country, installation certification programs like WindowWise are offered. Those programs train and certify individuals to perform quality installations of energy-efficient products. In general, a complete tear-out of an existing window or door, including the frame, right back to the rough opening, is better than a retrofit installation that uses the existing frame and only replaces the window or door. The complete tear-out is better because the insulation, air barriers, and weather seals will all be redone. Skylights are designed to be installed on an angle. A watertight seal between the roof and the installation flange is important. Any tunnel from the ceiling up to the skylight should be well insulated. So, there you have it. Windows, doors, and skylights that qualify for Energy Star in Canada, properly installed in your home, make your home more comfortable and reduce your energy costs. That's good for you and good for the environment.